Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This just came out. Claire broke her silence and she posted this, that she was made aware of a mutual statement at the same time we all were. So she really needed some time to digest this. Speaking for herself, her intentions with this relationship has been clear. So with the truth, she's crushed. This is not what she expected or hoped for, and she's still trying to process this. Dealing with 2020 was one heck of a year. COVID, battling anxiety, her mom. Oh my gosh. So from the way she's describing it, as if she was blindsided by this. I'm just quoting what I see. I always try to keep you guys updated when it comes to things like this. Obviously, it's from her expressions. Dale put that message out the other day without letting her know that he broke up with her. So she was blindsided according to her statement. So you guys, let me know what you all think. It's a crazy situation this week with all of these couples across all of the shows. So like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.